This video is for you if you are trying for second baby and also at the same time you are wondering how it just happened for the first time so easily and it's not happening now for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Rubina, gynecologist and your own fertility expert. Many of you might have had your first baby without any complications or without any problem or without experiencing any issues, but now may be facing problem in getting pregnant for the second baby. If this is the condition for you, then you are a case of secondary infertility. Fertility goes down with age and it can become tougher to conceive second baby. If you are facing such problem, even though you had previously successful natural conception and also normal delivery, you should consult fertility expert. Reason for not getting pregnant for the second time can be plenty. First can be advancing age. There's overall shift in the society and now everybody is planning their first baby in the early 30s. So planning for second baby was further delayed. And also with the advancing age, which is linked to diminishing ovarian reserve. That means with age, your number and your quality of eggs deplete. That means your fertility comes down. Other reasons can be ovulation problems, PCOD, premature ovarian failure, thyroid issues can lead to abnormal hormonal production. Other can be tubal causes, blocked tube, swollen tube, or any previous ectopic pregnancy. And the most important can be weight issues. After the previous pregnancy, you might have added few kilos, and also weight gain after the delivery can cause ovulation problem and your periods can become irregular. Other causes can be fibroid uterus, polyps, endometriosis. So important is consult your fertility expert to know what is the reason in your case. And if you are already 35 and have any of these conditions associated like PCOD, endometriosis or fibroid uterus, you should not waste a single day. An early evaluation is recommended. It is possible that your husband's sperm needs to be re-evaluated, and sometimes poor sperm count is also a reason for secondary infertility. Now this can happen due to excessive smoking, excessive alcohol intake, weight issues, any surgery if your husband has undergone, or any sort of chronic infection. So you and your partner both needs to see the doctor for detailed medical evaluation. And your doctor would help you to proper diagnose and determine what can be the actual reason and why you are not getting pregnant this time. Remember, trying for second baby can become a shock, can come to you as a shock. And this can give you stress. But stress only adds on to the problem. Secondary infertility is very much treatable. So don't suffer silently and don't waste a single day. Seek support from your spouse, from your family member, and from your friends. And also don't forget to consult your fertility expert as soon as possible.